New at 4, Mason Sisk, the Elkmont teenager sentenced to life in prison for killing 5 of his family members, will not get a new trial.
News 19's Emily Mosner was in the courtroom when the judge ruled on the case.
A little less than 2 months after filing a motion requesting a new trial for Mason Sisk, Limestone County Judge Chad Wise denied the motion. Now, it was a short hearing, only lasting about 12 minutes from start to finish. Mason Sisk was 14 years old when he killed 5 of his family members in 2019. He was convicted of capital murder and sentenced to life in prison without the possibility of parole earlier this year. His conviction in April was actually his second trial. The first ended in a mistrial. Sisk's attorneys argued that his statement to law enforcement on the night of the crime should not have been allowed to be used in the trial. They argued that what was said in that statement, in which they believe Sisk gave without being in handcuffs or read his Miranda rights, led the jury to its decision. The motion contained 4 other areas in which the defense argued Sisk would be deserving of a new trial.
We pointed out some things that we thought the judge got wrong in the actual trial. It was a post-trial motion, which obviously the judge denied, which was expected today. So he will have, now the next step would be to file a notice of appeal for Mason, and he'll have 42 days to do that.
Sisk's attorneys say it's unlikely that they will represent Sisk in the appeal process. They tell me they believe a new set of eyes will do the case some good. A judge sentenced Mason Sisk to life in prison without the possibility of parole back in September. In speaking with his attorneys, they tell me that he spent most of that time in isolation. They tell me that isn't because of any behavioral issues, although they have noticed that he's become noticeably withdrawn. In Athens tonight, Emily Moser, News 19.